I don't know if this is a new concept, but I just realized that God gave us dogs so that we can know what it's like to be unconditionally loved by Him. That's why it's DOG and GOD. Because losing my heart dog yesterday, our family's heart dog, I've never been unconditionally loved in my life by another human being, but Coda loved me unconditionally, and she received that tenfold. She gave us a great life, and she was given a great life. The world's not the same today, but my heart will always carry her with me. Unconditional love. That's why God gave us dogs.
Down. They down. They down.
Good old dogs and God won't ever let you down.
They
They
down.
listen when you're talking, just happy you're around.
You're not laying down either.
I don't know
broken
why
dog.
they love us,
Lay down.
but they do no matter
Down.
what. Two things
Down.
you can count on.
Down.
Good old dogs and God. Yeah. Talking about a best friend. Amen. Good old dogs and God never let you down. They listen when you're talking, just